Crispy spicy egg bites flavor explosion. Welcome to this amazing recipe for crispy spicy egg bites. If you love spicy, crunchy food, this is the perfect treat for you. Stick with me till the end, you won't want to miss how easy and delicious this recipe is. First, crack the eggs into a bowl. Once they're in the bowl, chop the eggs into small pieces. The smaller the better, they'll fry up crispy and delicious. Place the chopped eggs in a flat bowl to make mixing easy. Now, let's add some flavor. Chop the onion and sprinkle it over the eggs. Then, chop the green chilies and add them to the bowl. Don't forget fresh coriander leaves to give it a fresh kick. Mix everything gently, making sure all the ingredients are well combined. Now for the magic. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Add red chili powder for some heat, and turmeric powder for color and flavor. Sprinkle some chaat masala for a tangy twist. Add a little ginger paste to bring in some warmth and spice. Mix everything together so the eggs are fully coated with the spices. Now it's time to make the eggs crispy. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour to the mixture. This will make the eggs crunchy once they fry. Mix everything well so the corn flour sticks to the eggs. The mixture should look thick and ready for frying. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, take small spoonfuls of the egg mixture and carefully drop them into the oil. Fry the egg bites until they turn golden and crispy. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Turn them gently to make sure all sides cook evenly. Once they're golden and crispy, take them out of the oil and place them on paper towels to remove any extra oil. Sprinkle some extra fresh coriander leaves on top for a fresh touch. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce like ketchup or chutney. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.